There is no doubt that many U.S. companies are experiencing a cultural change when it comes to safety. In the past, it was viewed as a burden. Today, it's an opportunity to provide a safer environment for workers and improve the bottom line. Liberty Mutual was at the forefront of the earliest work on machine safeguarding. Today, groundbreaking research continues at the Liberty Mutual Research Institute for Safety.
Much of our earlier work was on acute traumatic injury, which included machine injuries during the Industrial Revolution. And some of that early research has become worldwide machine safety standards.
According to research, the ranking of the top 10 causes of disabling workplace injuries include being struck by moving objects or being caught in or compressed by moving machinery. Both are significant when we look at machine safety.
Overall trends in the frequency of injuries in this country has been declining for a few decades now. However, the trend in frequency of the more severely disabling injury has not declined as much. And the cost of work injuries is actually escalating due to medical inflation and wage inflation.
The Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that the manufacturing sector's frequency rate is about 40% higher than all industry in this country. That has a huge impact on costs.
The cost to the business is the lost wage replacement and the medical cost, which is really a burden of the employer. Regardless of the insurance mechanism, the employer ultimately pays the cost of those injuries.
But the total economic burden must include indirect or hidden costs.
About 3 to 5 times the direct cost is the indirect cost: damaged equipment, damaged product, lost productivity, replacement workers.
And that's where the opportunity lies. When you move from safety as an afterthought to safety by design, it pays big benefits.
From a cost standpoint, it's just way better than the traditional methods we used in the past.
Product improvements, productivity improvements, better insurance rates. There's just a lot of things that come out of this.
And it's good for the reputation of your company, it's good for your stakeholders, it's good for your stockholders, it's good for your customers.
Today, safety is about more than just compliance, more than avoidance of fines. It's about safety by design. Companies that use risk assessment to understand the complexities of how people interact with machines, minimize the risk, and maximize the benefits. Aztec, Opel, Kuka, Camotion. Safety. It's time to uncover the competitive advantage.